I go spray one glitter something. Chef, I make a comment on the live shortly. We want them take them screenshots. Wait, mama fix up. Screenshot and tag me for the page private. I can't see it. Lily, shh, shh, shh. So, are you ready for the screenshot? Oh, wait there. I want to try the inner corner highlight. I kind of like it. It open up the eyes. Wait. Lily, mommy come in here. Wait there. I just want a little something up on my inside. But this too gold. I need something more silver. Yes, Jody. Bombard. See, then I eat this, you know. I'm not forget to do nothing. Everything good through. When I'm ready for the screenshot now. Wait, I'm gonna fix my wig good. Thank you. Wait there. Bomba, my all wig go on, you know? My all wig go on with itself. So, I'm ready now? Screenshot. Wait, my ear won't fix. Hold on there. Sure. I don't know if I pose, you know. Wait. Bombats. I want a signature. I'm not on a signature. I only can do that when my ear shots. Wait, oh my god, wait, I forgot to put in my ears ring. Hold on. Bomba, no man, my life dancing at 75, my life there, now wait there. Thanks, Brittany. I'm from British, eh? I'm from British. Wait. See it now.
No, baby, no.
Yes, baby. Yes. Come, baby, come. Thank you, guys. I can't bother with myself. Come, baby. Come around this side. Eh? Come around here, son. Chevelle would have the patience to do the class. Me can't do it. Hi, Camille, you're back. Come, baby, come. Come, because the people them want to see you. You're saying hi? Come, put on this. Come. When I see Lily, here I girl, Lily, come now look on the people them. Look, see? Yes, so on the post on the Instagram story and tag me. If on the page private, I can't see it. Sorry, guys. I can't add everybody per Instagram, but thanks for the support and the love. Lily, say thank you. Come, blow them kiss. Mwah. See that bumper? That's really. Give them kiss again. Mwah. Oh my God. She favor me down. Yeah, no, Lily. Oh my. Post on the line. Lily, wait. Come, them say them want one picture. Come, Lily, wait. I say picture, I never say clap. wait. Come, look. Come, Lily. Stop. Stop, come. She love the funny face. Come now, Lily. Wait. Give mommy one more picture. One more.
Mom.
No, until I give me the picture. Stop now. Give me one picture. Come, one picture. You gonna make them see you ugly when you cry? Pretty babies don't cry. Lily, give mommy one more picture. She walk out. No, you can't trouble this. Come. She don't like picture like her father. Say cheese. Say cheese, mommy. You know, say enough for stay, sir.
Yeah, man, make up
So this may for bribe you with. Come, spin around. Yes. What's your lipstick on your face? Give them one picture. Give them one pose, Lily. I never say for eat it. No! Ready? See the guys. She come like Kensley. I'll show you I make get at another week, yeah. So the seat Lily no one soon. Lily. Hey, no come take her. Come, see them there? The first and only live, you're not coming home back till me done do me, I do. What you want? What you want there? Come on. Jesus Christ. Wait. You can put on makeup? Yeah, go wipe out my eyebrow. Come down, Joe. Come to car. Okay, guys. So I think that's it for the live. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So come make it. Is it every other babe? Where is it? Every other week? Babe, so I'm not gonna get tired of me and make a run out of joke. So every other week instead of every week. You pick the look, Elandi. Yes, girl. The look come out. Lily. Future makeup artist, this, you know. Yeah, girl. Big up your nice skin self. Good baby. No man, that pink lip are nice. No, this look good enough. I'm showing it up close. I'm gonna do a nice little video. No see my eyebrow them how them come out? Or nasty. You see my eyebrow? You see my eyebrow? My eyebrow look good tonight. Listen, that side I'm a bad side. I eat that side. So my face is so clean on that side, yeah, in a proportion, right? Over this side, Lily, you pack up for mommy? Wait there. Every week, watch the people them boy every week. Hear them boy every Friday. Thanks, Chevelle. Bros them up. No, I say I need an eyebrow here for look like this, but it can go on still. Thank you. Thanks, baby. Don't it? Thank you. So you're gonna give me everything, Lily. So yeah, thank you guys. I am going to log out. No man, look good. No man. Where we I go tonight?
Yeah.
You wanna see them? Wait. Want to see them? I'm gonna try to get some picture now. Thank you. Don't take my views grow. You look like such a music company live and now do nothing so the people them don't come on. So yeah. So next week may I come out with another loud glam. Wait, I'm gonna make Ella and the choose again. Or Brittany or Rochelle or Chevelle. One of them. Chevelle, where you make you go tonight, girl? Lily. Chevelle, where you go tonight? Bedrock and pillow jam. Oh, the foundation brush is from Shop Miss A. Look at my eye them red. Jesus, hold on there. The razor drop, girl. I'm showing you the eyes now. When the sister the liner turn pink, what me that telling about? The look come out for true. No man, my nice, you know. I'm just want to do a beard. But if a beard, I'm a clean. Watch out. I'm not beard, you know, so imagine if I did beard. Yeah, girl. Thanks, Nadia. Yeah, me got gee. Danzel, take them off for me now. I can't bother with Kaylee. Kaylee, I dash you everything. No man, the eye look good, you know. I want to see the jailer room white. What name again? Something like that. Okay, bye guys. Watch this. Leave it. Hey. She fuck up everything in that coffee. I'm a can't bother. Yeah, mega put it on my YouTube. Bye guys. Mwah. Thank you for tuning in. See you guys next week Friday. Same time, same treatment.
Love you, babies.
This is not YouTube, babe. Mwah. Bye, baby. Bye.